Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I've had this machine for 5 years now. I bought it in 2018 and I bought it for around Kenya shillings 1,800, and since then I have not been to a barber. I've been shaving my own head and I've saved a lot. Later on in the video I'm going to break down how much I have saved by having my own shaving machine and shaving myself. So basically we are shaving to save. So when you have your machine and you are about to shave, make sure it's in off position, and when you have your brush, you're just going to brush off the hairs or the dirt, and then what you're going to do is that you're going to lubricate it. So you lubricate it at the top and the sides, okay? So, and then I normally use a grate. So this is number 1. So these are the items that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the number 1 to shave my head. And this is a 4.5 or 1.5 inch, a 1.5 size for my beard. And you're going to need a mirror so that you know what you're doing, okay? And if you're lucky enough and you have someone that can help you shave, then you can actually make use of that. Like in my case, I have this lady right here who will just come and shave me. And if you're lucky enough, then you have someone to shave you. If not, I'll be showing you how you can shave yourself. Yeah, so I told you that you need a mirror, of course, so that you can see what you're doing, and your machine. So at this time I'm not going to be talking much. You're just going to be seeing how the movements that I'm doing. So now I've just installed the 1.5 filter for my beard. So guys, that's how you shave your own head, and you end up saving some money that you can use to spend on something else. And as I said, I bought this machine 5 years ago in 2018, and currently to go to the barber shop you're charged around $3, $2 to $3, depending on where you go. And I shave my head on average once a month, or 1.5, or after 1.5 months. So you can do your math and calculate how much I'm saving within 1 year. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you might make the decision of finally purchasing your own shaving machine and saving some dollars at the end of the day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.